In this video, I'll show you how to fix your smartwatch if it's not charging or turning on. Let's jump right in with some simple methods that usually work. Method 1. Check the charging cable and adapter. Make sure your charging cable and adapter are working properly. Try using a different cable or charger to rule out faulty accessories. Also, clean the charging pins on the watch and charger with a soft cloth. Method 2. Use a different power source. Plug your charger into a different power outlet or USB port. Sometimes the outlet or USB port may not be providing power. Method 3. Restart or force restart the watch. If your watch has a restart or reset button, press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Some models restart automatically when placed on the charger. Method 4. Check the charging port and alignment. Make sure the watch is properly aligned on the charger. Inspect the charging port for dust or debris and clean it gently. Method 5. Let it charge longer. Sometimes, a completely drained battery needs at least 30 minutes to 1 hour to show signs of life. Leave it charging uninterrupted for a while before trying to turn it on. Method 6. Factory reset, if possible. If your watch turns on but has issues charging, try a factory reset via the settings. Refer to your watch's manual for specific reset instructions. If none of these work, your smartwatch might have a hardware problem like a faulty battery or charging circuit, and it might need professional repair or replacement. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more tech troubleshooting tips.